what's going on, everybody? We have a special one today. We are continuing with the BRIT Awards 2026 performances. And hey, man, they got one of the gals, one of the ladies of the hour, Miss RAYE, gonna be dropping her new album soon this month, I think at the March 27th. And she is performing 2 singles off of it, Where's My Husband and Nightingale Lane. Dude, we listened to Nightingale Lane, and that song was fantastic. She had a whole orchestra, ensemble. Oh my goodness. I'm excited to see how this live is going to be, cuz RAYE always brings it out live. Her live renditions be honestly better than the studio. So, let's see. And that's not even to knock the studio. It's just the way she does it live is just so grand. You wish you were there. That's how it makes me feel, man. So, let's get right into this. Let's give her the stage without further ado. RAYE at the BRIT Awards 2026.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Drummer with the vocals at the beginning, countdown. Whoa. We're starting off fast, man. This sounds fast. The energy, you heard the dun dun. We gotta back it up a little bit. Back it up a little bit. Drummer, send it off.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
White shoes. Ooh.
Your husband is coming.
Pause. Halftime. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Change it up. Oh. We grooving. Look at the dress. Looks expensive. Hair. Looks like some Gibson or Gretsch instruments for the bass and guitar. Ooh, you hear the guitar? I need a little more volume.
And this next song we're gonna sing is about a man who didn't buy me a ring. It's such a shame. This song is called Nightingale Lane.
Oh, sure.
On a street.
Pause. What a switch up for Where's My Husband. Went halftime and got groovy with the steps. Start off fast, kind of how the normal is, and then slowed it down. Oh, that was cool. I like that. Dude, orchestra's back. Background singers are back. But look at this dress right here, man. First off, it looks like she got like a cape thing right here for the gown. So it looks like this is removable. So she's about to whoosh. But dude, she probably got those Swarovski diamonds. This dress might be it. We're talking bandos. That's bandos. Back up. Because she's getting in the Nightingale Lane, and we know how much emotion this song has. Let's go.
We're gonna sing is about a man who didn't buy me a ring. It's such a shame. This song is called Nightingale Lane. On a street in the South London suburbs is where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer stained, and tear stained was a pain that made me cold. Now after the oceans I cried, I'm made of steel, just float. And now but when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let him go now. I just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself to
Oh my God. Somebody love me once, somebody will again. Change the mood, lighting turned blue. That's no joke.
This ground is where someone once loved me, and someday someone will know.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. I wonder if she plans to belt like that or not. It just looks so effortless. So. What'd she say?
Thank you, BRIT. My album's out next month.
Oh, yeah.
Lots of love.
Lots of love. Lots of love. Dude, that's we gotta give a clap for that, bro. Y'all have been commenting. Y'all saw her live at O2 Arena and wherever, and y'all have been blown away. I hope she tours in the U.S., hopefully somewhere nearby me. I live in Florida. Hey, come to Miami, Ray. Come to Orlando. Come to Tampa. I'm gonna have to book a ticket, book a flight or something, dude, because every time it sounds grand. Like, dude, she looks, let's just back it up a little bit. That belting part, just so effortless, man. Beautiful. The dress, she got the diamond rings on with the diamond earrings. Hair's done up. Black dress, diamond up dress. Oh my goodness, I mess with it. The whole just composition of stage presence to lighting.
Right here on this ground is where someone once loved me, and someday someone will know.
Look how easy it looks for her. Oh my goodness. The hope, the hope. Oh my. Beautiful. I know that had people tearing up, bro. I even felt a little bit. But dog, if I see this live, shoot, I might. It's a little, somebody cutting onions somewhere. Oh my goodness. I think my allergies are acting up. But yeah, bro, it was that good. She's that good. Thank you guys for putting me on to this, man. Put me on to Ray. I am excited for her album to drop. I am going to release an album reaction for her previous project for sure. I'm not sure if I should do the orchestra one. I think she has two kind of versions. I don't know which one I'm going to do for OG or I think it's more of an orchestra vibe. Y'all let me know. But yeah, I'm definitely going to have to release one of that before her next project drops. You guys made it this far into the video. Thank you for joining me. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Put in the comments if you want to see me react to anything else. And I will catch you guys on the next one, Lord willing. I'm Bez. God bless y'all. Thank y'all for joining. Peace.